So remember social distancing. This is Achillea millifolia moonshine. Achillea, I don't teach. I don't get into herbalism in this class, but Achillea, if you're interested in herbalism, is a great plant to look up. It's got a lot of cool stuff going on in it. Yarrow, okay? So you use the roots. I won't go any further. Really, really lovely plant for you to know. What family? So here's the only flower left. Without cheating, what family do you think this is? Pardon? It's not Lamiaceae. I don't know if there are yellow flowering Lamiaceae. It's not saxifrage. The leaves look an awful lot. Hey? Whoa! But it kind of tells you what it is, right? It's not, right? But it's not. It's blue. Blue, Lamiaceae. So what other families have we learned that this could be? This is like the last flower. Okay? Otherwise you're going to get... Compositae is what it used to be called. It's now Asteraceae. Right? So Asteraceae. How many asters are there? 85? Yeah, something like that. You know, it's the largest, I think one of the largest families. 80 might be pushing it, but probably 25. And then orchids are the only biggest. Could be. Could be.
Can I see the flower?
Yeah. So, flower, seed head, and the structure.
Ooh.
Okay? So you won't see this structure in general in the Lamiaceae, but you'll find it often in other, the rosettes. Right? You remember how we told Robascum from Stachys, the rosette, right? And don't make the confusion between the leaves. Okay? Achillea millefolia. Millefolia, it's 1,000,000 leaves or 1,000 leaves. And the root is quite something if you wanted to look that up. So this is Achillea millefolia. So full sun, maybe partial shade, sandier soil, but it can tolerate a little richer soil, but not too rich, and not too wet, right? Or you'll start getting rot. And remember when we talked about at the very beginning, the range of photosynthesis, the light spectrum, the spectrum of light. What would be the opposite of this? As far as the spectrum of light goes.
Purple.
But purple, right? Shady stuff. So you can see in here, we get very glabrous, large leaves, but clear, right? And here, it kind of tells you it wants to be in full sun, it wants to be dry, this is what it's looking for. It tells you by itself. Yeah? Achillea millefolia moonshine. If you're not sure of the cultivar, just think of me. I'll tell you about that one over a moonshine sometime.
What's the common name for it?
Yarrow. So moonshine yarrow. Okay?